Gangnam Yifon black kidney bean.
Yeah. Do we have Gangnam?
A staple in everyone's.
Yeah. I'm probably butchering how to say that because I don't speak Korean, but yeah, there it is.
Well, it says premium black
Oh, it literally says the English.
kidney bean.
You don't even need to read Korean. It's right there.
Oh, the
Okay.
Vegemite's still in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need something
Premium.
else. I need something else to get rid of that taste.
Okay.
That's awful.
We got premium beans. And this one also. These people look so happy. You can see, Jenny, right? The party, work, travel kids, all of them are great with black kidney beans. So
That's what I've heard.
That's what I've heard. So
They
again-
say once you go black, you don't go back.
Look at this thing.
Is that a cockroach?
It's a little bit wet. It's a little bit wet. I can feel it on my fingers.
I think moist is the preferred
Moist,
word.
wet and dripping.
Oh,
yeah,
what
wet,
the-
yeah.
What is that? I was kind of looking forward to this.
It's-
I was thinking like edamame.
I thought it was like Japanese. I thought it was like the Japanese bean, but
Oh no.
you ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we ate the whole thing. That's pretty good.
Surprisingly nice. It's really nice.
Yeah, I could eat that again.
Yeah, it looks, yeah, again,
4% sugar.
yeah.
4% sugar.
Again, you can look at it. It looks really weird, right?
Are you
Looks-
eating another one? Is that why you took it out?
I just want to show the world
I
this
see.
this bean, right?
That's really good. I like that.
Yeah. But it looks like somebody dropped it, you know?
Yeah.
Looks like somebody dropped it, like rolled it around in the dirt a little bit, and then gave it to you. But it is tasty.
How would you describe this shape? Oblong? Oblong?
Oblong. What's
I
this?
don't want to have another
It's
one.
cashew-esque.
Well, I don't think cashew-esque is a shape, Mark. Like if I'm teaching my kids shape, it's
I
like
just-
triangle, square, cashew-esque.
I just invented cashew-esque, so the shape of a bean, no, beanish. Yeah. Don't use these words, guys. This is a Mark
This is
original.
not English. We
So-
will be putting some of the English
Yes.
explanations.
But it's good.
You'll see them.
And our Korean
flashing.
staff told us this is a great natural snack at home or on the go.
Again, party, work, travel, kids.
Good.
My kids would eat this. I think my kids would eat this definitely.
That's our Korean one.
It contains nuts, just in case.
Second
Are
time
you
also
allergic to
okay.
nuts?
Second time also okay.
Oh, you ate another one. You know what?
It's almost like sweet potato. It almost has like a sweet potato-esque.
I think I really like it.
Yeah,
I would
nice.
say like 7 out of 10. I would give that a 7 out of
Yeah.
10.
Oh,
Chel
is it called
Tok Pie?
Chok?
Chel
Chok?
Tok Pie?
Talchop?
It's pretty close. If you're Korean, you can,
Yes, if you're Korean, you can read this out loud in your head.
and you can just bash. If you don't like my Korean pronunciation, just throw that in the
Yeah,
comments. Be like,
but
you're Korean.
I'm a little worried though. It looks like they're harassing a young woman on the on the box. See that? What has she done, and why are they dancing around her? Like, it's very. Maybe this is traditional Korean culture. Before you eat a choco pie, you have to scare a maiden.
I think the other side has an open thing on it.
The other. Oh yeah. Now I have to the puzzle. You do it. You do it. I was too fixated on the maiden and the two men dancing nearby.
I'm looking forward to this because I like choco pies, and this has dok, which is like mochi, which is like a rice cake kind of thing. So I think this is going to be really, really delicious.
Okay.
So we'll have one each.
Okay. Good. I found the open this time. Oh, you want? Okay. You could also let them have. Or no? Okay. Denied.
If you want it, you got to be in the video.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, look at this! Look at this thing. That looks amazing. So I'm gonna open it with my hands.
It looks
first.
fine.
I'm getting in here, Mark. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Oh man, there's a lot of chocolate. Oh, that was messy.
That looks like a mistake.
There's no mistakes in film business.
No mistakes, only success.
All right.
You ready?
Oh, that's so good.
This is delightful.
Oh yeah, I could eat this all day.
Ooh, we have to add this to the snack fridge. This is really nice.
I like mochi. I like chocolate. I like making a mess.
It's really sweet.
Yeah, that's good. I'll eat like 12 of those.
Yeah, reminds me of like the marshmallow chocolate snacks in other countries.
It's kind of like a s'more.
Yeah,
Without the graham cracker?
Like on the picture, it looks white, kind of like microwaved marshmallow, but in real life, it's more of a gel. I don't know. It was good.
Gelatinous.
Gelatinous.
It's gelatinous. I would say it's good. That's the best
The
thing I've
cocoa
tasted
powder is
today.
really nice. Yeah.
I did not know there was cocoa powder inside. I wouldn't have ripped it open otherwise.
Good job, Korea. You've redeemed Japan.
You've redeemed Japan. What does that even mean?
Japan coming over here with the plums.
Oh yeah, I mean, of course. Well,
Yeah.
Japan has nice snacks, Mark. You live there.
Right now, I'm just thinking about the plums.
Oh, you're anti-Japan right now. You're
Yeah,
gonna start
right now.
You're gonna start studying Korean
For the
instead.
next 5 minutes, yeah.
I mean, that was terrible. You guys are laughing, but
Yeah.
try one of those sour plums. It's
Don't eat the
gross.
manly plums.
It's gross. My son is not my friend anymore.
Oh.
So, what's your favorite snack? What's your go-to? It's Friday night. You're home. What are you eating? Comment below. And if you like this video, click like.
Yeah. Or if you have a recommendation, if you want to have us try one of your snacks, give us the name and ideally, I don't know what country. Yeah, what country you're from. Give us the name and what country you're from, and
hopefully we can get it
we can try to have a snack with
in
you
Singapore.
in Singapore.
So
So
that's it.
yeah, that's it.
Nice snackathon.
Happy snacking. Stay hungry.
Bye, kids.
I want to try.
Yeah. You want to try? You can try. Yeah,
Revert.
you can try.